Hello and welcome to the MDA College YouTube channel. My name is Hannah and today we will be looking at possessive adjectives. So let's begin with section 1. What is a possessive adjective? A possessive adjective goes before a noun and tells us who the noun belongs to. Let's look at all the possessive adjectives using the noun phone. My phone. Your phone, his phone, her phone, its phone, our phone, their phone. Possessive adjectives are different to personal pronouns, which just tells us the person. Let's look at the personal pronouns and possessive adjectives together. Personal pronouns are I, you, she, he, it, we, and they. Possessive adjectives are my, your, her, his, its, our, and they. Let's try section 2, activities. Here are some phrases that are missing the possessive adjective. At the end of each phrase, there is the personal pronoun to show you which possessive adjective to use. Let's do one example together. This is new bag, she. The answer is this is her new bag. Now you have 30 seconds to try and answer these. Go. Time's up. Let's look at the answers. We went to see their film. He loves our baking. He talked to his friend. She likes my t-shirt. Her dog is small and brown. You need to clean up your mess. How many did you get right? Comment below. Now, finally, section 3, common mistakes. What mistakes do students make with possessive adjectives? Mistake 1, mixing up his, her, and its. We can only use his for a man and her for a woman. For example, Sarah saw her friend Mike. Because Sarah is a woman, we need to use her to show that Mike is a friend to Sarah. We can change it to Mike saw his friend Sarah to show that Mike, a man, has a friend called Sarah. It is important that possessive adjectives match the subject. We use its for objects and animals. For example, the river burst its banks. The bird made its nest in the tree. The only exception is for pets that we love, because we love them and we sometimes use his or her to show that they are part of our family. For example, my dog sleeps with her favourite teddy. My cat sits on his favourite chair. Mistake 2, always using his when we mean more than one person or a general person. For example, everyone should look after their own home. Here, we don't mean just men or just women, we mean everyone. Another example is the student returned their book. In this example, we do not know if the student is a man or a woman, so we use their to show that we don't know. And that's all we have time for today. If you have any questions about possessive adjectives, comment below for an answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the MDA College channel for more helpful English lessons. See you soon.